In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change backgrounds in Microsoft Teams. Whether you want to maintain your privacy, add a professional touch, or simply have some fun in your meetings, changing your background can enhance your overall video call experience. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to start by signing into Microsoft Teams. Open up your Teams application or navigate to the Teams website and then click on the Sign In button. Make sure you log in with your credentials. This will take you to your Teams dashboard where all your meetings, chats, and Teams are accessible. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start or join a meeting. Next, you'll want to either start a new meeting or join an existing one. Go to the calendar or chat section where your scheduled meetings appear and click on the join button for the meeting you want to enter. If it's a meeting you've initiated, you can find the join option in the meeting details. Clicking join will allow Teams to connect you to the video call interface. Now that you're in the meeting, it's time to have some fun with your background. Look for the option called Background Filters, which is usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Clicking this will open a sidebar with various background options you can use. Once you have the background filters open, you can select the background you want. Microsoft Teams provides a plethora of default background images, ranging from simple blurred backgrounds to more thematic scenes. To choose a background, simply click on the one you like, and it will automatically apply to your video preview. If you want to use your own image, there should also be an option for uploading a custom background through the same filters menu. Be sure that you are happy with your chosen background before moving forward. The preview should display in your video window, allowing you to see exactly what others will see during the call. And there you have it, you've successfully customized your background for your Teams meeting. Remember, using a custom background not only makes meetings more enjoyable, but can also be quite practical. If you're working from a home office, it can offer a layer of privacy. Or if you're participating in a themed virtual event, a fun background can help set the mood. Whatever your reason, now you have the skills to adjust your background to your liking in Microsoft Teams effortlessly. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you find these tips helpful next time you hop into a Teams meeting. Feel free to explore and find the backdrop that suits your style or the occasion best.